Hello everybody, my name is... Okay, now we gotta start over again. Because you're looking the wrong way.
I'm shy.
Don't be shy. Just look at me. That's all that matters, right? Hello everybody, my name is Josh Williamson from JW Gaming. And welcome to my first cooking show. We're gonna be making sinigang today, which is a soup that is a Filipino soup. So we're gonna try it out, and there's a lot of different forms and variations of making this soup. And I didn't have time to make my way down to T&T Supermarket or the Asian store to get what was required, because I don't even know what snake bean is. So, anyways, I'm gonna make my version of it. There's a hamster behind me making some noise. So. Anyways, let's get to it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to saute some stuff. And I got some onions, I got some ginger, I got some garlic. So first I'll start off with my onions. I have a pot behind me that is got some oil that is just warming up now so that I can fry it once it gets going. So first I'll get with the onion. Jada, so tell me.
Question?
Do you have a question for me?
Yeah.
Alright, so she wrote down some questions for some reason. No one asked her to. She can go ahead. What are your questions? And make sure it's loud.
How long have you been cooking?
5 minutes?
No, like in life.
Oh, for life. I've been cooking for over 20 years. So here's my first one. I'm gonna throw the onions straight. Actually, I'll just put them here for now, and then I'll put them all in together. So there's the onions, and then I'll do the garlic and the ginger next. So I'll do the ginger. So first, with the onions, maybe I could tell you guys though. I cut lengthways, and then I go widthways, and then whatever size that you want to do it, and then that's pretty much it. People think that there's actual ways to cut onions. Not really. It all just ends up looking like this anyways at the end. So that one fell in the garbage, so I won't get that one back. Then with the ginger, I chopped off a piece earlier, so then about that big. That's good enough for a pot of soup. And then I'm just gonna slice it like this. Yeah, I guess you can see. Slice like this first. So now we have 4 even slices, and then I take out 2, and then I slice it this way. Because if you try to slice them all together, you could actually cut yourself. Now we have small dice as well. Okay, as I'm cutting this up, Jada, go ahead. Do you have another question for me?
How many times did you make this?
How many times did I make this? Can you be more specific?
The soup you're making.
The soup I'm making?
Yeah.
I made this one. This is going to be maybe my 3rd time. So here's my garlic now. When you do your garlic, you can either slice it kind of the same way as the ginger, or you can actually hit it. Squish it down like that. It kind of breaks up. Do it again. It breaks up. There's gross stuff in that one. And then break it up again. And then you can actually cut out any of the brown stuff that kind of gets that's inside of it or whatever. So, no, whatever. I'll just pull that right out. And then you just start going side by side, sideways, this way, this way. Yeah, we're mincing it up. Thank you, Irene. I didn't even actually introduce anybody here, too. So, this is Irene, Jada, Lingley, and Sarah. Say hi, you guys.
Bye.
Bye? You're supposed to say hi.
Hi. Good night.
So what happened last night? Lingley had a birthday party. Can you tell me how your birthday party went?
It was good. Yes. We went swimming. Might have played hide and seek. Possibly.
Playing hide and seek in the hallways when I was in the hotel. Oh yeah, so you didn't just go swimming. What did you do?
Oh yeah, we went to a bar, did some dancing. Yeah.
You didn't invite me.
Didn't invite her. The onions are getting to me. So we have some okra that has been pre-cut up because with the beautiful and lovely, talented Irene chopped it up. Miss Gunda Bear. Now I'm gonna chop up the potatoes. The potatoes you want to make a little bit bigger. You don't want to dice them small.
Oh,
These are
I
gonna
thought you will dice.
No, these are diced big chop. We just do like a chop. Chop it like that way, then like that way,
Oh.
and then that's good. That one landed on the floor, so it's no good no more. We'll throw that on there
You can get
too.
it, then wash.
But you can get it and wash. There's that 30-second rule.
Yeah.
So as long as I get it within 30 seconds, then I'm good.
Still good.
Okay, so I got these ones. Throw them on there. Reach down, and it disappeared. I have no idea where that one went, and I don't feel like looking for it either. And one more. Bada bing, bada boom, done. For the vegetables, we have one more. That's the cabbage, and so I've already quartered this one, and then there's just a little bit of shit on the edge. Did that beep? Probably beeped. No, I think it already did. So I'm just gonna slice that off. If there was no camera, I probably would have left it and just let my family eat it. Don't care. Now we're going to slice this nicely on an angle. Huh? And then you keep on slicing it until it gets uncomfortable on your fingers. Then you can actually turn it. Once it gets scary again, you can turn it again if you want. But I don't care. I'm not going to cut myself. I'm too good. There we go. Now, we have all those together, and they're ready to go into the pot.
You
So,
always cut the cabbage like this?
always.
Oh, that's
I
why.
have another question.
Now-
Because if you cook sinigang, we're not...
I have another question.
Then I'll make it in there. And I'm back. And that's doing its thing now. Now we're going to cut up the pork. And this is just the pork shoulder. This is a roast. And it's boneless, but it's the shoulder part. It's got more fat. So it's going to have more flavor to it. And then we're going to do about half of this.
Question time.
Okay, question time. Go ahead. What do you got for me?
Do you like
Girls?
Sinigang?
Do I like sinigang?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I wouldn't be making it though, would I?
So that's maybe.
No, I like it. There's no
You
maybe
don't love
involved.
it. You don't love it. You just like it.
So now the meat, I'm just going to chop it. First I'm going to slice it into pork chops. Once you get it chopped up into pork chops, then we're going to cut it again this way. What's that? What?
Lingley said something.
What did you say? What did you
She
say?
said she can't look at it, and then I said food porn.
She said what?
Food porn.
That's what she said.
Oh.
Because it's food.
Hashtag food porn? You don't have to be dirty about it. Biddy. What the hell is wrong with you, Elmer Fudd?
I have something to say.
What do you have to say?
It's like a story, but it's not funny.
I have to have a break.
Is this? What about the white beard? Because you're racist.
How about this? And we still have one.
I have
Oh.
I have
I
the
watched that
story,
today.
but it's not that funny.
Okay, tell me your story.
Is it depressing?
Can you tell it to the microphone so we can hear it?
So we were playing hide and seek in hallways, which you did not know, and and when we were playing hide and seek, when me and this girl over here, right there, we were seeking, I think, and we went into
That's
like
enough.
the third.
Yeah, only me and you.
Yeah,
We went to the
I'll do
third
one more slice.
floor, and we can hear these girls.
What girls?
I don't know, like
They're coming from the room? Came
They're-
from the room?
yeah.
Oh, is the one where the girls are farting in the bathroom?
No. So
Oh, they're in the
there's-
bathroom talking.
Okay, yeah, I'm telling the story.
Okay, tell us, sir.
And when the girls were talking, at the end of it, you can hear the toilet seat just fall down.
It hit the floor?
No,
You guys were eavesdropping. Yeah.
No, we were just walking by to find Ling Ling and this other girl.
Oh. I thought you were talking about my boyfriend. Oh.
Whose boyfriend?
Wait. Crack my phone before I break you.
And
Do you
that's,
have boyfriend, Ling Ling?
she does. Yes,
She's
she
the
does.
one that does.
Ling Ling told me. I know it.
You have a boyfriend, Sarah?
No!
I don't think you're old enough to have a boyfriend.
Neil, whatever his last name is.
How about Jeddah?
NYHD. Go hit him up on YouTube.
It's NYHD.
He's on YouTube?
Yeah. He's a YouTuber, just like you.
Is he? How many subscribers does he have?
Like 80.
80? Wow, he's successful.
I was watching his stuff in
What?
class.
A lot of people did that in multimedia.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so that's pretty much it, right? We got everything all set up here, and so now we're going to go ahead and check it out from a different angle. Okay, so now we got the Sinigang stuff ready. It's all sauteing and it's getting soft. Onions are looking a little brown and sauteed, so now we're gonna put our pork in. Jada, did you have a question?
Yes, I did.
Come over here.
Okay.
So what's your question?
My question is.
Oh, that one.
My question is, can you put beer in Sinigang? I guess you can.
Does it belong in there? No, not really. But I just did anyways. And it kind of smells good. Yeah, kind of. But this is, no, it's kind of going a little, okay. It's a little bit hot now. So, anyways, the last thing that we'll be putting in there is the Sinigang. This is it. That's the Sinigang flavoring. It's got tamarind, gabi, tomato, and spices.
You need to put water before you put.
Yeah, before I put this in, I'm going to be putting water in. So, but I just need to let this saute for a little bit longer. Put the water, put that in, and then it'll be ready to go. I'm going to add, I got Himalayan salts. I'm just going to add that in there. Let that soak in. What are you doing? Mm-hmm.
It was Irene.
Mm-hmm.
It was.
And then there's some cracked pepper as well. We'll put that in. Then we're going to fill it with water. And generally when I make a soup or anything like that, I fill the pot up until just past the bolts of the handle. So just up to there. I'll do that. Fill the water up, let it boil. Once the meat and everything's cooked, it's going to take about an hour to cook. Once that's ready, I'll just add the Sinigang, a couple more, salt and pepper to taste, and then it'll be done. Okay, we're back. Are you tasting it already?
Yeah.
Don't taste yet.
Why?
Because we're going to show on the video. Okay, you come first. Come here.
Jeddah
Taste
first.
it. No, taste it. You tell me how it tastes. How's that taste?
Yummy.
Okay.
Maybe I'll forget.
Okay. Now you're gonna do yours?
Yeah.
Okay, take your shot.
Shot glass.
Yeah.
Reset.
Is it hot?
What's taste?
What is it? Is it taste or is it heat? What is it?
Sour.
It's too hot? Did you burn your mouth?
No.
What's in there? Is that a bug? Just kidding.
I didn't taste it. It was burning my mouth.
Why don't you?
I didn't eat it yet.
Huh?
I didn't eat it yet.
Okay, well come here. Try.
Now?
Yes, Sinigang, try.
What's the taste? Do you like it?
Oh, she took a big shot.
It's a sour one.
How's it taste?
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No.
Okay, well put your... You guys didn't like it?
It's too sour.
Okay, well, let me try. Let me show. You got your okra, you
I'll
got
eat-
your pork, Go put your potato. It's nice and soft now too.
Because I'm hungry.
That tastes good. And then the real test too is making sure that you have very tender pork.
Yeah, it's good. Yummy.
Done. Falls apart at the bone. Excellent. That is awesome. Okay, everybody, I'm going to go ahead and end the video right here. I want to thank everybody for watching this video. If you guys have not liked the video, like it now. If you have not subscribed to the video, subscribe now. Down below in the comment section, let me know what you guys want to see next. Do you want to see another DIY? How about a reaction video? More gaming videos? Let me know. You guys control the videos that I make. You guys, go ahead right now. Comment down there. I'm gonna see you guys in the next
In the next video.
I want to see you guys in the comment section. You guys are gonna see me in my next video. Take care, everybody. Love you all. Peace.